Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this healthy pineapple, ginger and lime juice. Let's get started. Basically I need three ingredients: pineapple, lime and ginger. I have cut the pineapple and ginger into smaller pieces and I'll be using half of the lime. So I'm squeezing the juice of the lime into my chopped ginger and pineapple. I'll be adding some water and then I'll blend it completely. Please, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and please hit on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. After blending, I'll use my strainer to strain it. I added some water into my blended juice just to make it light so that my strainer can strain it well. So I'll strain it this way and then it will be ready for drinking. I just know that you try this after watching my video, and I hope to hear from you soon by leaving comments in the comment section. Enjoy your juice and see you next time. Bye.